I'm Durandururi. Picture Kenya where food insecurity is a thing of the past, and small-scale farmers are leading the way in addressing the pressing challenge using Mfumbuzi, the smart farmer app created by my team of 6. But first, let's look at the current situation. There is a limited supply of small-scale farmers in Kenya to produce enough food to ensure resilient and sufficient food supply in the country. And it matters because it impacts the availability and accessibility of food for the local population, leading to food insecurity and susceptibility. Meet Kamal, a 37-year-old small-scale farmer from Murang'a. Kamal struggles to produce enough food to sustain his family, trapping him in a cycle of food insecurity and undermines his efforts to break free from poverty. Let's look at some facts. According to Kilimo, small-scale farmers produce 75 of the country's total crop output, while the large-scale farmers produce the remaining. And according to the World Bank, Kenya has shown erratic precipitation trend as shown, and finally, there has been an increase in the rate of food insecurity with a 69.5% rate as of the year 2020. In light of this, we came up with a solution, Mfumbuzi, the smart farmer, a game-changing app that seamlessly integrates tech resources, expert guidance, networking, weather updates, and a state-of-the-art algorithm to which identify market deficits and insights, helping them to achieve sustainable food production. Now, let's look at the app. On launching the app, you can set the preferred language and authentication for all users is required. For first-time users, you create a profile as seen on the third frame. Once done, you are directed to the dashboard that has various options and services. On selecting each service, you are redirected to their own landing points where specific services are provided as shown in the following frames. Our user interviews gave us the following concerns. For example, to consider removing the expert and farmer buttons on the create profile page as all users are farmers. We shall be making the following recommendations based on that feedback. We shall be changing the background color of the weather page to maintain color harmony in the application. When we secure the finding, we will conduct more in-depth research and analysis on the product, refine the design and the development of the app, and lastly, test, deploy, and facilitate user adoption. Looking at food insecurity, it directly impacts the accessibility and availability of food for the local population, and our solution addresses the small-scale farmer challenges, empowering them to improve productivity.